Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to start off with a small exercise. I want you to imagine a world where you go and turn on your device and nothing happens. Your phone, your car, your laptop, nothing happens. That's because in this world, software was never invented. In our world, whether we're using a tracking device, whether we're on YouTube, or sending an email, we rely on software. In fact, we rely on software so much that it has affected the way we live and interact with our world. As a student of both the theory and application of computing, I have seen firsthand how software drives basic productivity to cutting edge technology. I believe that understanding what software is and how it works helps us become better prepared, better informed users, and better prepared for the ever increasing digitalizing world. So today we're going to cover three things. We'll cover what software is, the three major types of software, and how it has affected our daily lives. So let's begin. What is software? Well, software is something that is not tangible, unlike hardware like monitors, keyboards, mouses. Software is something that we cannot feel, sense, or touch. It lives in between spaces. To make an analogy, software is the, the mind, where hardware is the body. And just like hardware, or like a body cannot function without its mind, software is the same. Hardware cannot function without software. To boil it all down, what software is, to simplify it, ultimately it's a simple or precise set of instructions that allow us to tell computers what to do. So now that we discussed a little bit of what software is, let's tackle on the three major types. First off, we have system softwares. System softwares is what manages your computer or your computer device. It's what kind of regulates or it orchestrates. Think of it as management. Some of the examples include Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. Other types of software are application softwares. These are the softwares that help users perform tasks or even listen to music. These include Word, they include Spotify, iTunes, and such. The third type of software is programming software. These are the tools that help developers create and develop new software. These softwares include programming languages such as Java, C++, JavaScript, and others. They also include compilers. This is what helps translate those programming languages that humans can understand, into machine code, the binary, which is how computers communicate. So now that we discussed a little bit of what types of softwares there are, let's talk about how it's affected our lives. It has affected the way we communicate with the world. Meaning, back 50 years ago, we had to wait maybe a day or two, or we have snail mail. We can pick up a phone and hope that somebody picks up and use long distance. While today, we can communicate real time with other individuals in remote regions of the world in real time. In healthcare industries, it has helped us digitalize patient records. It helped providers from across the world collaborate and also provide proper diagnosis to patients. And even incorporating what now AI in order to facilitate that prognosis. In transportation, we rely on GPS. And we know how essential that's become, and especially if we're trying to get somewhere. So, to sum it all up, we look at the basic definition of software in the three major types: system, application, and programming software. And the major ways in which software has influenced our daily lives. Software is hidden from our eyes, but at its core, it is nearly in every modern tool and experience of our contemporary world. So, the next time you open up an app, change a setting, or even download a new program, take a moment to reflect and wonder what's happening underneath. Who knows? Maybe the next great idea will come from someone who once heard a simple talk on Software 101. Thank you.